Imagine walking into a clinic with no waiting room, no nurses, and no human doctor. Instead, an advanced artificial intelligence scans your entire body in seconds, detects diseases before symptoms appear, and prescribes treatment instantly. No delays, no errors, no guesswork. This is not science fiction. This is the future of medicine, and it may arrive much sooner than you think. Today we explore a bold question. Will AI doctors replace hospitals? Modern healthcare is powerful but deeply flawed. Hospitals are overcrowded, doctors are overworked, patients wait hours, sometimes days, for diagnosis and treatment. Medical errors are one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Even the best doctors can misdiagnose conditions or miss subtle warning signs. Healthcare is also expensive. Millions of people avoid treatment simply because they cannot afford it. Now imagine a system that eliminates these problems. A system that is faster, cheaper, and more accurate. That system is artificial intelligence. AI doctors are not just robots in white coats. They are advanced systems powered by machine learning, neural networks, and massive medical data sets. These systems can analyze millions of medical records in seconds, compare symptoms across global populations, detect patterns invisible to human doctors, continuously learn and improve over time. Unlike humans, AI does not get tired. It does not forget. It does not make emotional decisions. In many cases today, AI is already outperforming human doctors in specific tasks. This future is not decades away, it is already happening. AI can now detect cancer earlier than traditional methods. It can read X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with incredible accuracy. It can predict heart attacks before they occur. Virtual health assistants are already diagnosing basic conditions. Chat-based AI systems are helping patients 24/7. Some hospitals are even using AI to guide surgeries. Step by step, AI is becoming a central part of healthcare. Now imagine the next step. Fully automated clinics. You walk in, and AI scans your body using advanced sensors and imaging systems. Within seconds, it builds a complete health profile. It identifies diseases, risks, and even future conditions. Then it creates a personalized treatment plan. Medication is dispensed automatically. Follow-ups are scheduled instantly. Your entire health record updates in real time. No paperwork, no waiting, no uncertainty. This is the foundation of AI-driven healthcare. AI has several key advantages. Speed. It can process information instantly. Accuracy. It can analyze more data than any human brain. Consistency. It does not have bad days or fatigue. Scalability. One AI system can serve millions of patients. Accessibility. People in remote areas can receive expert-level care through AI. This could make healthcare available to everyone, everywhere. If AI continues to advance, traditional hospitals may begin to change dramatically. Large hospital buildings may no longer be necessary for many conditions. Instead, we may see small AI-powered clinics in every neighborhood, portable diagnostic devices in homes, remote treatment systems connected through the internet. Hospitals may become specialized centers for extreme emergencies and complex surgeries. Everything else could be handled by AI. One of the most surprising developments is AI-assisted surgery. Robotic systems can already perform extremely precise operations. In the future, AI may plan surgeries with perfect accuracy, control robotic instruments with microscopic precision, adapt in real time during procedures. This could reduce complications, speed up recovery, and save more lives. AI enables something humans struggle with: true personalization. Every patient is different. AI can analyze your genetics, lifestyle, environment, and medical history to create a treatment plan designed specifically for you. No more one-size-fits-all medicine. Every treatment becomes optimized for your body. Today's healthcare often reacts to illness. AI changes that. With constant monitoring and predictive analysis, AI can detect diseases before symptoms even appear. It can warn you about risks years in advance. This shifts healthcare from treatment to prevention. A world where fewer people get sick in the first place. But this future is not without challenges. Can we trust AI with life and death decisions? What happens if the system makes a mistake? How do we protect patient data and privacy? Will human doctors become obsolete? And what about empathy? Can a machine truly understand human suffering? These are critical questions that must be addressed. The most likely future is not total replacement. It is collaboration. AI will handle data, analysis, and diagnostic. Human doctors will focus on complex decisions, patient care, and emotional connection. But the role of doctors will change dramatically. Medicine will become more technology-driven than ever before. Some of this is already here. In the next 10 to 20 years, AI will likely become the primary tool in healthcare. Fully AI-driven clinics may become common, and hospitals as we know them today may evolve or even disappear in many areas. The future of medicine is being rewritten. AI doctors are not just coming, they are already here. The question is not if they will transform healthcare. The question is how far they will go. Will hospitals disappear? Will AI become the world's most trusted doctor? And are we ready for that future? Subscribe to Infinite Science for more videos exploring the future of technology, science, and humanity. Because the future is closer than you think.